Hello, everybody. Today we're going to discuss connecting Calendly with Drop Cowboy Ringless voicemail and text. Go ahead and make your way to Zapier.com. You're going to want to click the search icon, type in Calendly. From here, you'll be scrolling down. You're going to type the pairing app, which is always going to be Drop Cowboy. Here, it'll show you that something needs to trigger an action step. Again, something needs to happen within Calendly in order to send a ringless voicemail or text from Drop Cowboy. So go ahead and choose one of the options that fits your needs. They provide invite canceled and invite created. So from here, for instance, if someone creates a meeting with you, you can then trigger a ringless voicemail reminder in order to send a meeting or a thank you message. So you're going to go to invite created, and you're going to choose a drop down that will provide a voicemail, and then it will actually show you the recordings that you already pre-recorded into Drop Cowboy. So once again, something's going to happen in Calendly, like a invite created, then it will send a reminder voicemail or a thank you voicemail from Drop Cowboy to that contact. Thank you and have a good day.